Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace LCD screen on the Poco X3 GT aka Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then remove the mid-frame by undoing 16 screws from the top and bottom sections. And then, using a plastic cup pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around on the edges to separate the plastic clips. While taking out the frame, be gentle. The fingerprint plug connect with the mid-frame. Disconnect the flex cable to release the mid-frame from the body. And also disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the battery by loosening the adhesive and disconnecting the secondary battery connector. First, loosen the adhesive on both sides and then lift it using the tab. Next, take out the main plugs by disconnecting plugs from both ends. Next, take out the speaker buzzer from the body. Next, take out the charging port flex by disconnecting two antenna heads. Next, apply heat and take out the vibrator motor from the body. Next, loosen antennas and pull out the logic board from the body. Next, apply heat and take out the earpiece and button flex from the body. For the replacement, there are two different screen types in the market. The one is with the frame and the other one is without the frame. It can be original, used or aftermarket. Either version you choose, you can get with the frame and without. But the most straightforward repair will be with the frame. And also, the price difference is not that big. I would recommend you to go with the screen with the frame and button installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. And this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing removed parts. Next, place the earpiece and button flex on the frame. Next, place and secure the logic board on the frame. Next, place the antennas on the frame. Next, place the vibrator motor on the body. Next, place the charging port board on the body and secure antenna heads to the board. Next, place a loudspeaker on the body. Next, place the battery and secure adhesives and the secondary battery connector. Next, connect the fingerprint plug and secure the mid-frame, and then turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the mid-frame by adding 16 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, you can use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.